Hi everyone, in today's video we are doing cuticle work, acrylic application, and we are doing a complete redesign of my client set, which is about 4 weeks old. I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back. Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we are going through another client set, which I'm so excited for. This is a design from about 4 weeks ago, I want to say. We're going to do a complete refresh. We're going for an acrylic design today. Welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Lorna. I am obviously a YouTuber doing nail content, also a professional nail tech, educator, brand owner, award-winning amongst other things, and hopefully you're going to stick around. If you've just found me, I am so glad that you are here, and I hope you do decide to subscribe. And please like and hype the video and leave me a comment down below, guys. I will be replying to everybody as always, and let's enjoy. Let's get straight into the removal process. So of course I need to get these charms off first, and they are a little bit tricky, I'm not gonna lie. Every time I do charms on a set, I'm just dreading the refresh because they are usually generally like completely stuck, and it's the worst, I'm not gonna lie. It gives me stress, and it's just like, please come off nicely. Anyway, I used my old 4XC bit, so it's one that I'd already used to remove charms, because when you use a bit like that, it does dull down the bit, so you don't want to then use it for like removal because it's just uneven and not cool. So we just keep that bit separate and use it for charm removal only. And you do have to be very careful, make sure that you have eye protection. I always have the safety specs on, and I tell my client to look away. Look away. I'm probably going to bring another set of safety specs, so if they want to wear those, they absolutely can. So then I came in with the ceramic bit and removed off the rest of that gel polish design and smoothed out some of the product. Then we are debulking the length. We wanted to go shorter since these have obviously grown down for 4 weeks. They are now longer than my client wants. So we're coming in, just taking down that length, getting everything back into shape, rebalanced, ready for our infill and new acrylic design. I was so excited about this one because you guys know my true love is acrylic design, glitter encapsulation, and all of that good stuff. And I have some amazing sets planned for myself, which I'll be filming very, very soon over the next few weeks. So look out for that. If you haven't already turned on the notifications, guys, as well, make sure you check them on and click all, because at the minute there is an option where even though you've turned them on, it'll just do like specific videos only, but if you select all, you will be able to get them all. I also think you need to change it on in your settings on your iPhone as well to be able to receive those notifications from YouTube itself. Otherwise you will absolutely not get any of my channel updates, and I would hate for you to miss out on that. I mean, come on. Who does not need a little bit of Ninja Nail Fairy in their lives? Next up, I'm coming in with the Nailmate Super Scraper, and we're going to go ahead and push back the cuticles. I'm doing that on all of the nails, and I'm doing it very gently. I'm not jamming into the nail. We're not like applying any pressure or anything like that. We're gently just pushing back just to give us a nice looking area, and so we can prep that area of the natural nail as well. It just makes everything look really uniform and nice and tidy. So yeah, I used the like the hoof shaped spoony end. Very technical, I know, guys. Push it back, and then I turn it over to the scraper side, and I scrape off any dead cuticle that's grown down onto the nail plate that's keratinized, that is ready to remove, because if we did apply that product over the top of it, it would lift. So it is important that we follow all of these steps to minimize any lifting of our acrylic. We do not want that, and as you can see, there's no lifting on these nails, so my prep routine is bomb. It is down, you know what I'm saying? The products are amazing and the retention is on point. So as you can see, we are now on the scraper side, just pushing back, really getting in there. I do also come in with my e-file bits too and do a little bit of cuticle prep there, generally using the cuticle clean bit. And if you aren't already aware, I do own the brand Glitter Planet and the Nailmate supplies as well. So if you want to use and purchase any of the products, I will be listing them in the description box for you guys to check out. Everything that I am using is from my brand, from the nail files, the e-file bits, tools, prep, acrylic, glitter, everything. Okay, and it's all fabulous. If you want to use my code, which is ninja10, you absolutely can. It will give you 10% off, and we also have free shipping as well. So if you spend over £59 in the UK, it is free shipping. You still get a 10% off discount too. We don't disallow that. And then in the USA, it is you spend over £120 and you still get free shipping on that. But what was I going to say? Oh yeah, £110 free shipping. You still can use 10% off as well, which is amazing. Okay, we're moving on to the design. We've got everything prepped. We're ready to go. These are the gorgeous colours that I am using. I will leave them on the screen. They are absolutely gorgeous. So the glitter that I'm using is called Possessed, and it is a dot mix glitter. So it's quite a chunky one, and it is a chameleon shift. So it's got like green, blue tones in there, and it's just absolutely perfect. The whole vibe of the set was to match my client's new ring. So that's exactly what we did. We picked up all those tones, and I feel like we absolutely smashed it. The green glitter, the fine one, is metallic green. It is a glitter acrylic, and then we're using Perfect Pink as the nail bed cover. So these are the nails now. They're all prepped and ready to go, and I'm just going to be applying my primer. The primer that I'm using is the Nailmate Pro Bond. This is the acid nail primer. It is for those who have problem lifting or just really want that extra protection with retention. I basically use it all the time. I do sometimes pick up the Ultra Prime, and it's fabulous as long as you're not somebody that needs that extra-ness. You're going to be fine with the Ultra Prime. The Ultra Prime is the Nailmate primer that is the non-acid primer. It's good to have both options available. So I'm coming in first up with that Perfect Pink, and we are infilling essentially at the cuticle area, pulling that bead down the nail. We're trying to keep it quite thin at the free edge because we're coming in with that acrylic design. So we've got our metallic green glitter going onto the free edge, and then we're feathering that up the nail to create this gradient, and it just looks stunning even as it is like that. I was just like, she's pretty, okay. But we wanted to go a little step further and add some chonky donkeys, okay? So that's exactly what we are doing. We are having that poison. It's not called poison. It's called Possessed, okay? Basically the same thing. So we're putting the Possessed glitter, and we're just adding a few little bits and pieces, and then we're arranging them to where we want. Nothing in particular like specific, but just so that like they are separate and they look cute on the nail laid over that green glitter. We're going to follow that same process on all of the nails, since this full set was one of those that was exactly the same throughout. We weren't trying to be a mix and match. We weren't trying to go all vibey or crazy. We just wanted emerald green to match the ring, and that was it. It's cool. That's all I was going for. And yeah, how beautiful is that Perfect Pink? If you're just a nude clean girl kind of aesthetic, even if you've got XL, this Perfect Pink is gorgeous just as a full colour like nude. Very marshmallow vibes, very subtle, very cutesy, very adorbs. I love it. It's a good all-rounder, and everybody is obsessed with it. We've just restocked. We've got the huge 165 gram jars and then the 42 gram jars as well. And I also have uploaded as well a starter acrylic kit to the website, which you can select which core powder you want. So it's a savings bundle. You get everything you need in there apart from a brush, but most people do have a brush already. You can absolutely pick one up. We've got so many available. But yeah, you get everything you need, and you could choose the Perfect Pink or any of the other core powders to complete the kit. It is such good value. So I'll link that in the description if you want to check out my acrylic starter kit that I've put together for you guys if you want to start out on your acrylic journey. I also do have, for those that are in the UK and Ireland, my complete accredited acrylic nail course on my college website now. So if you want to get accredited and start your nail career with me today, literally you can start like right now. You can book onto the course, and that comes complete with a kit, and I am including everything you need in that kit to be able to complete and then continue well into receiving clients. You will have more than enough product available. So yeah, that is really exciting. I'm so excited for that. So I'll pop the link for all of those things in the description. I'll probably make a note of it because I'm going to forget otherwise. But yeah, we're going to continue with this design. It's very simple, very therapeutic. I know you guys love watching the acrylic process, and I absolutely am obsessed with it. Like, nothing beats it for me, like actually nothing. And it's such a versatile medium. Applying acrylic and doing the designs is an art in itself. Like, it's absolutely stunning. So we're going to go through this process, and then we'll move on to encapsulation, which is becoming slowly one of my fave parts, especially on shorter nails. Longer nails, not so much, because honestly, just literally, if I could wave a magic wand and my nails are encapsulated, yes please. I just love that design process, and the reveal, and then wearing the nails, obviously. So yeah, let's move on. If you didn't already go ahead and like and hype this video, then I would love if you could go ahead and do that. It really helps my channel, it helps push it out there, and every little really is amazing these days. Even if you just want to pop me a comment, thumbs up, you don't have to hype it, but if you do, it just gives me those extra brownie points with the YouTube. And yeah, it just means that they know that you enjoy my video, and it will recommend them to people that love watching nail content and all of that good stuff. So yeah, super helpful on my side, and it literally takes the whole of 2 seconds. We are coming in now. This is the final look of like all the design applied. It looks so good, and honestly matches the ring absolutely beautifully. Just wait till you see the end shots. I do get the ring in there. It's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, we're coming in with Nail Make Crystal Clear Acrylic, and we are encapsulating everything. So we're just doing one bead basically on most of these nails. I think I just did one bead for all of them actually, because I was in the zone, you know what I'm saying? And the nails are quite short. So yeah, we picked up a medium bead, applied it to that cuticle, allowed it to trail slightly down the nail. You keep the nail pointing down towards the desk to ensure gravity helps with the pull of that product. Walk the product down, ensuring that it is even throughout using the belly of the brush. And then once we've patted the end down, I'm actually going to leave it like that. I'm not going to try and chop off the excess, because I'm going to come in with my file and just do it with the e-file. I really don't like using my brush in such a terrible way, honestly. I tried it where I've seen nail techs pulling the product down, and then they've got that excess acrylic, and they use their brush to kind of squidge it off the end, and I was just like, ah. I did it, and I was like, oh my god, my poor brush. I felt like I literally violated it, so thou shall not be taking on that hack. I'd rather just file it. So I'm coming in with the Nailmate 5-in-1 e-file bit. This is currently sold out, but depending on when you're watching this video, we may have had a restock. And yeah, my favourite bit for refining and shaping. This alongside the ceramic bit, fabulous for shaping, absolutely love them. So yeah, we're going ahead, giving them a nice shape up. We only need minimal shaping. They are pretty much where they need to be, but I just wanted to debulk them ever so slightly. Coming in to do the free edge and then under the nail. And then we're going to go ahead and add that top coat, which is our favourite part. I cannot wait. Love that bit. After I finish filing, I do come in and just give the nails a cleanse as well. So I've already removed all of the dust, but I'm coming back in with that Safe Scrub Cleanser, and we are just going ahead and making sure we've got all that dust off there. I do also ask my clients to wash their hands too, and yeah, it just means the top coat can go on really, really nicely. We don't have no issues, we don't have no lumps, no bumps, no dust, no anything. It's just beautiful. So yeah, we're getting the lamp in position underneath the armrest, and we're coming in with super gloss. So super gloss is the no wipe top coat, the gel top coat. Absolute fave. Been using it for what? When did we release the super gloss? I don't even know now. 2017, 19, probably 2019, I want to say. So I've been using it 6-7 years. 6-7. I didn't mean to do that. Anyway, yeah, we're getting that super gloss on, and then we will cure it in the light for a full 60 seconds, and I'll show you guys some final shots. Of course, we have to add cuticle oil, and we just made a whole new batch. The scents are absolutely delicious. So we make these at HQ. They are absolutely stunning. You guys, if you've not tried our cuticle oils yet, I beg you, try them. You will not be disappointed. The scents are unbelievable. If you are only going to choose one, I mean, they're all delicious, but the berry slush is so good. Foam banana is delicious as well, and bubblegum. And strawberry. Strawberry's like strawberry bonbon. It's not strawberry like the fruit. It's so delicious. And Palmer Violet, obviously, stunning. Anyways, we're adding the cuticle oil, rubbing it into the nails to rehydrate and make sure that they are absolutely bloody stunning for the photos, but also to really lock in that moisture. Anyway, this is the final look. That is the ring. Did we match that, or did we match that? Clock it. I think we did a good job there. Absolutely obsessed. Let me know what you guys think. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this video, and hopefully I'm going to see you in the next one. If you are new here and you've stuck around all this time and watched to the end, thank you so much. I will see you in the next one, and as always, please remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.